Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to make Snapchat account public. So to do that, we are heading over to Snapchat. And once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your Bitmoji on the top left. Now, here go to the settings icon on the top right. Now scroll down and you will find public profile settings. Head over there. And here you can just turn everything on like notifications, payout notifications, performance milestones, access support, show public story replies. You can always preview your profile like how you chose on public and go back and scroll down and here you will find use my Bitmoji avatar to my friends, from only me to my friends, and view my story from friends only to custom, uh, and see me in find friends. You can just turn it on and see my location. Turn to my friends, and yeah, these are the changes you can make to make your Snapchat account public. So yeah, hope this video will help you out and make sure to do the changes and save them so that your account of Snapchat is made to public. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.